Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and use Gemini with Janitor AI. So firstly open up Janitor AI, log into your account, and now here choose the character. You can either choose a character that you have from your chats or anything else here, so just choose one. Okay, so once you have chosen one here, so for example let me choose one from all. Okay, so let's say if I'm choosing one from here, so I'll just choose a random one. Yep, this one here, so it's fine. Okay, so choose your character and then go to these chat option here. Okay, so once you're on the chat option here, so what we're going to do is you're going to go and click on the three horizontal lines on your top right, click on it and then go to API settings. So once you're on the API settings, click on the proxy tab here, and then from here what we're going to do is you're going to click on add configurations, and then from here what you're going to do, give a name for this proxy, so just name. And then here what we're going to do for the model name, what we're going to do is simply paste this for the model name. So paste this for the model name, so you can just put it here, just paste it here, just use the same one. And then for the proxy URL you can just use this one here, so you can just use this, you can just paste it and use it. And for the API key here, okay, go to your Google AI Studio, log into your account, and then click on get API key, click on this option here. Okay, and then once that's done, what we're going to do, you're going to click on this create API key option here on your top right here. So this will generate the API key for you, and then once created, click on copy. All right, make sure you copy that and then go back to your this page here, paste it. Okay, once that's done, and then for the custom prompt, is optional. If you want, you can do it. If you want how the character to behave, you can add that, or else hit on add configurations. And once you have added the configuration, so what we're going to do next is click on it, okay, and then hit on test, okay, and then click on save settings. Okay, and once that's done, so you can now start chatting.